Today, I will be demonstrating how a reaction can only go on until the limiting reactant runs out. To perform the experiment, you will need a jar, vegetable oil, water, and Alka-Seltzer tablets. I first started by placing the jar on a clear, sturdy surface. I then began to pour the water into the jar, filling it up about a quarter of the volume of the jar. Then I poured the entire bottle of vegetable oil into the jar with the water, filling it up about 3/4 of the way. Notice how the two liquids do not mix. This is due to the oil being less dense than water, so it sits on top of the water instead of mixing into it. I then dropped half of an Alka-Seltzer tablet into the jar. As you can see, it drops through the layers of liquid, and that's when the reaction begins. When Alka-Seltzer tablets are dropped into water, they react by producing carbon dioxide, which is the bubbles that create the DIY lava lamp. The carbon dioxide is formed by citric acid mixing with biocarbonate. The water allows these chemicals to move around and react with each other. To get a more prominent reaction, I added the other half of the Alka-Seltzer tablet into the jar. The contents of the jar continue to bubble up and move around as long as the Alka-Seltzer tablet continues to dissolve in the water. Once the tablet makes its way up into the oil, it will stop dissolving because the chemicals in the two do not produce much of a reaction. As soon as the tablet runs out, the reaction fizzles out. Therefore, the Alka-Seltzer tablet is our limiting reactant in this scenario.